Good morning everyone. Tara na, walking tayo. Dito ako usually nag-walking every morning sa may Patani River Park. Okay? So, ito yung place. Yan. Maganda, di ba? Yan. Dito rin kasi yung Clock Tower 2 at saka yung Bridge Park. Ito po. So this is the place where I go walking every morning. After this, about 6 o'clock kasi 6 o'clock open pa yung fitness center. Lilipat ako doon para sa aking muscle. Yan po. Ano pang hinipin niyo dyan? Gising na! At tayo ma-exercise na! Thank you for watching. Bye!